The accelerator pedal is responsible for sending an electrical signal to the engine control unit, ECU, indicating the position of the pedal. Based on these signals, the ECU controls the opening of the throttle body in proportion to the pedal position, allowing optimal engine acceleration. However, when this component fails, several symptoms may appear that are often confused with failures of other sensors. For this reason, it is essential to perform functional tests on the accelerator pedal before replacing other components. Accelerator pedal failure symptoms. A faulty accelerator pedal can cause the following symptoms. The vehicle stops accelerating. Delayed acceleration response. Loss of engine power. Engine instability. Misfire on 2 cylinders. Jerking or hesitation. Illumination of the engine power reduction warning symbol on the dashboard. To perform the tests properly, you must know that the accelerator pedal contains 2 sensors integrated inside it, APP1, APP2. Each sensor uses 3 wires with the following functions. APP1, 5-volt reference voltage, signal output, sensor ground. APP2, 5-volt reference voltage, signal output, sensor ground. Common accelerator pedal failures. No 5-volt reference voltage. This failure may be caused by an open circuit or damaged wire between the ECU and the accelerator pedal. To verify this, it is very important to check the continuity of the wiring from the ECU to the accelerator pedal. It is highly recommended to have the system's wiring diagram, as it makes locating wiring faults much easier. If continuity is not present during the test, the wire is most likely damaged and must be repaired or replaced. No sensor ground. To verify that the APP sensors have a good ground connection, set the multimeter to continuity mode. Place one multimeter probe on the sensor ground terminal. Place the other probe on chassis ground or battery ground. If continuity is present, the sensor has a good ground connection. Repeat the same procedure for the ground of the other APP sensor. If continuity is not detected, there is likely damage in the wiring, which must be repaired or replaced. As a temporary solution, you can connect the sensor ground directly to chassis ground, but the best solution is always to repair the original ground wire. APP sensor signal output. To check the output signals, set the multimeter to the 20-volt DC scale. Measure the voltage on the signal wire with the pedal connected. When pressing the accelerator pedal, the voltage should increase smoothly and progressively. Expected voltage values. APP1, 0.5 volts with the pedal at rest, up to 4.5 volts with the pedal fully pressed. APP2, 0.5 volts with the pedal at rest, up to 2.5 volts with the pedal fully pressed. If, during testing, you notice that one of the sensors does not show any variation when pressing the pedal, the accelerator pedal is most likely faulty and must be replaced. A more accurate way to verify accelerator pedal operation is by using an automotive scan tool and checking live data. When pressing the accelerator pedal, you should observe APP1 from 0.5 volts up to 4.5 volts, APP2 from 0.5 volts up to 2.5 volts. If either sensor does not show variation in the live data, the pedal is defective. Finally, it is highly recommended to check the continuity of the signal wires from the accelerator pedal connector to the ECU. In many cases, the pedal may be generating the signal correctly, but the signal does not reach the ECU due to damaged wiring. If continuity is not present, the wiring must be repaired. I recommend checking out the other videos on my channel, where you will learn how to identify failure symptoms, perform tests, and find solutions for the different sensors in your vehicle.